USA 2026 World Cup qualifiers air course. Then Ghana, you play against Chad. And another game no is so interesting. That is so interesting. And in this video, remember the goals highlight. Now you train unkomo afa goals na how is it by any other important things about the national team. So far as 2026 USA World Cup are concerned, I have Penyah block me. I must say any demo. Over like video, no other subscribe button. There's no click button question. I connect latest updates. Now better why me and my ever comment. Must say over so. No watch video na mo so enya bi ahwe. Omu enfie no eye be 28 years echo back in there. 28 years echo chire no 28 29 echo chire 30 echo omu penny version. Omu say Ghana Blasters team no the team we knew. Enya no team I who need. Debbie. The Ghana Blasters team we knew way back. Enya no who need. Because remember somewhere in the 2002, 2006, 2010 these years World Cup so this a Ghana bebo boy. I remember say you that day you go school as I say Ghana bebo ball 1 o'clock cry you be upon school 12 so we are going to ball ni bi ahwe because na you see Ghana Blasters for that those years na as it goes to ball nyuma honhom wom ye o Ghana Blasters na ye just na as it go nyum for Blasters na honhom wom enyum no kura spirit and emebru na omubo modern pay obi a wonya akura wo be 28 years na be bia be kire say Ghana Blasters team no mo ya de ne emlantie no ya de those years no mo ya de pa ye nka se fa pa nka se mo a ne emlantie no ya de oma Ghana Blasters it became a lovely team to watch. And Brazil for the see any tiba keka but the whole Brazil crown it me the see any but na say mo bia nim the see akate the team so akate tie Ghana Blasters so to extend say even Africa Cup of Nations crown yentimi an qualify Niger no Comoros yentimi anyira Niger nim yentimi am face Comoros ni Niger Comoros na say bibia free Ghana for ni mo Ghana Blasters team no ehon do no free Ghana for ni mo I remember go say last match here your boy you know Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers in crown your team say omu kodin kwa asema anka supporters no kura bu omu park ni so anka ya supporters edom ko support Blasters team at the end of the day no mu say twom be bu Ghana Blasters me bunze mu asem kwa asem no mu Ghana for di munze mu ntimi mobo na monka ne enwu team no monka ne yenwu team no etini asuja kugu ket okra kumo so ne wo mu ye suja pegons masa mu nim se mu ntimi nye eyini ya monka ne dissolve Blasters team but enra honhom kese bi sane wo Blasters team ni mu ma me hu bi da na me hu da honhom bi ache me hu this particular spirit ache Ghana played against Chad just say ball no cost na no kwata at the end of the day na Blasters as a 5-0 against Chad.
A goal difference currently of 2. And just shows that their goal mouth is a bit poor. Conceded a whole lot more. Ghana playing in their yellow kits today. Chad will be in that mix between blue and red. And it will be Lesau who kick off from right to left. Seeing how things play out here. We just see all the commotion that was caused by the goal. A flick on into a dangerous area. It wasn't dealt with. The first stab at it by Semenyo, it was saved. And then it fell to the 25-year-old again. A simple finish. But his positioning was absolutely spot on to make the most of that. Goals are your currency. And they're hard earned. But Ghana making light of that and showing the difference in their ratings as well. They're currently 77th in Africa. But nonetheless, he always poses a good threat. He'll be playing alongside Thomas Partey in the midfield today. And looked like stolen off the player there. Ghana with all the early work And it is really bearing fruit, that match against the Central African Republic. That 4-3, which was a real stunner if you were a neutral. So Chad with the free kick, it's lofted over. And the header will probably sail out for a corner. It's number 8, not something that we tend to associate with centre-backs. As that ball just came in. Run over. Here is Kudus going straight for goal and just out wide. He had the right trajectory at the start, at least. Needed a bit of pace there. Didn't have the quickest of run-ups, and that was possibly to fool the runners. Out to Mensah. Tries for the diagonal again. And they have to watch out. It's an easy chance. Jordan Ayew puts his head in his hands because he knows just how good that opportunity was. They won the first ball, but there was miscommunication at the back line. Again. Oh, neat toes. Kudus looking for the return and on his weaker right foot. A lively start from the West Ham midfielder. Taking quite a while over this, but it should be Nuama. Goes along the top of the box. And it just ricochets. Mohamed Kudus is still alive, and a free header and an easy goal. Calm as you like. Ghana 2, Chad 0. It was oh so simple. Of course it required a quality delivery. And that man in picture, Inaki Williams, gets the final header. No offsides there. And we'll see this line very much onside, absolutely. The ball coming in from Schindler, just dinked over. And a beautiful finish. Always head down, they say. And using his experience, the captain of Athletic Bilbao, Inaki Williams, gets his second goal for Ghana. That he didn't strike the ball. Ghana still have it though. Mensah at the top of the box. Here's Semenyo, and this should be a penalty. One of the easiest decisions that referee Ahmed Abdul Razak will have. Semenyo just surging forward into the box. And tripped there by Lonisa Sabala. The number 6 trying desperately, lunging. Here comes Jordan Ayew, easy as you like. Another goal, and Ghana are just racing away with this game. So simple from the penalty spot. And all the years of experience culminating into that run-up and a side-footed finish into the bottom left-hand corner. And you almost think that into the top of the box comes out wide again. Nuama takes it onto his right. Chad, it looked like he was calling for a foul, but Ayew gets it away. He has Kudus. Kudus might take it on by himself. Kudus. And a good stop. Again, straight at the goalkeeper. Another neat ball flash to Mohamed Kudus. Here's another chance for Semenyo. Possibly thinking that he could have done better, at least get the ball on target. Ghana absolutely purring in front of the net here. Might have been a call for offsides. All there was. Ghana will feel that they have to at least test the goalkeeper here. And Not enough dip on that pass or that ball, really. Disappointing effort in the end, actually delivered with an in-swinging left footer. This corner kick. Ball does come in. It's a free header. I don't think you can get easier than that. Mohamed Salisu is almost embarrassed to have scored that goal. Not even celebrating. But the Monaco man has his header. And his third goal for Ghana. Mohamed Salisu in his third World Cup qualifier of this particular season. He didn't even move from where he was stood. The Chad players just breaking like water on a rock around him. And Mohamed Salisu getting his third goal since making his debut for Ghana back in 2022. A 3-0 loss against Britain. Little triangle piece of passage with Antoine Semenyo. Here's Mensah trying for the early cross, and it still might fall to Semenyo. It goes across the goal. It might be spilled by the goalkeeper, and he finally latches on. And that's at least save his blushes on this occasion. This time he does palm it over his bar. Not taking any risks, Asare. Just polishing that result. His fourth goal for the Black Stars. Having scored against Mali earlier in this campaign. What a lashed shot it was. A beautiful finish into the bottom right hand.
Even this, when we cry now, madam, who say, well, two things. Either say, nyame na breya win. And as I feel it, you may bring almost 2 4. But I'm first of all, I just okay, once a blaster is new, Ghana Blasters. Africa Cup of Nations, I know more head and come on, to be say, Africa Cup of Nations, dear Ghana, ye Jaima Omo. But World Cup, dear Ghana and Ghana, ye I read World Cup, Australia Ghana pa, World Cup, dear ye I read pa, ye Queen home, a bobo. I'm watching okay, World Cup, Diana, ye bomber, it's a normal say, and it's SF5. Even this particular win, quite a buyer. Ebi just say there be no Ghana for more hwe park na so na omu more hwe e ya dum bi na Ghana more hwe omu more hwe park na so omu more hwe na this win no it only came by grace adum bi pa ne fe eto ye mmerantia no so nra favor can save the locate you eno mu share 5. How did you see the game? Akohe goes highlight. How did you see them? Na 2026 World Cup na yekono. Do you have any hope for Ghana's working? Ghana, we can do better. And Ghana Blasters team look rana. Problem Ben will identify our Blasters team and say this problem. Nipa win a problem. And I said the problem is coming from this particular place. Problem Ben what team I detect our Blasters team. She was a good comment section. I Penyah Media.